Hello, I'm Anjan Bhattacharjee. I'm teaching O and A level mathematics, both Cambridge and Edexcel. And I hope you will enjoy my question papers. And before starting the question papers, you must go through the papers, check all the questions, then start doing the maths. So let's start the question paper, that is pure mathematics, paper 1. This is for A level mathematics.
Cambridge Assessment International Education. This is for A level, I mean paper 1, pure mathematics 1. Its subject code is 9709, its variant is 12, and it's October November 2021. Its exam duration is 1 hour 50 minutes. After getting the question papers, according to our statement of entry, we must write our necessary information like as candidate's name, center number, candidate number. Then we will just see necessary information what is given there. Suppose you need to use HB pencil, then you can use calculator. You can write the answers in three significant figures or one decimal place for angle, and then where the space provided you must write your answers there. Then total marks of this paper is 75 and the marks is given here in this bracket. So your first question now, trigonometric equation. Just multiply all these terms by cos theta, then we can easily remove the denominators. So uh, it will be 2 cos square theta equals to 7 cos theta minus 3. Now let us do some simple simplification what we have done in algebra. This is 3 to the 6, 6, 1, 7. So 2 cos square theta minus 6 cos theta minus cos theta plus 3 equals to 0. So 2 cos theta will be common. So cos theta, then there will remain cos theta minus 3. One will be common. Cos theta minus 3 equals to 0. Cos theta minus 3 equals to 0. Then 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. So cos theta equals to 3. Then cos theta equals to half. Since domain is defined here minus 90 degree to 90 degree, if we draw the graph or we can solve these things in ASTC diagram, the answer will be, let us draw the graph. This is the cos graph, minus 90, 0, 90 degree. This is the cos, this is the cos. Let us draw, this is the cosine graph. Then we can go more. It's not necessary since minus 90 to 90. And if we draw a line parallel to x-axis, that is y equals to half, it meets at 2 point. So if we use calculator, cos inverse half equals to 60, and in this side it is cos inverse equals to minus 60. So theta equals to 60 degree, then minus 60 degree. Now since when you are drawing diagram, that time this one, that is 90, 90, but if we draw The line parallel, it's not meeting, so this is no solution, not acceptable. So now we can check by calculator. Cos inverse 0.5, so that is 60 degrees, so it's all right. X plus a, it means it is horizontal translation minus a0, fx plus a, it is vertical translation 0a, fax, it is horizontal stress factor 1 by a, this is afx, vertical stress factor a. And if we consider f minus x, it is reflection with y-axis, and minus fx, it is reflection with x-axis. These all are the basic concept. Depending on this, we can solve this one. So fx is transformed to f2x minus 3, that is y equals to fx and y equals to, now first thing, this is the 2x, so it is matching with this one, so we can say stretch in x direction, or horizontal stretch in x direction with stretch factor 1 by 2. Then last part is minus 3, so it's matching with that. See this is I mean y direction, I mean translation in the direction of y, 0a. So let me write here vertical translation, or translation in the direction of y with column vector 0 minus 3, with column vector 0 minus 3. Now let us check question B. The point P 5 6 lies on the transferred graph. Be careful, this part is dependent on this one. So we are going to find out y equals to fx. That means fx can be transformed to f2x minus 3, and this is the 5 6 is the answer for this one. Now we need to go back, we need to find out fx. That means we need to do reverse procedure. So this comes for half x, so we just multiply. For f2x, we just multiply, this will be 10 6. Now f2x minus 3, for this reason reverse work, so it will be 10 and 9, 6 plus 3 9. Now if you try in the same order fx to fx, you will get the 5 6 answer. So you should think it properly, otherwise there is a lot of chance to make mistake. Now let us go for question 3a. This is also very simple maths. The function f is defined as follows, its marks is 2, so simply we can solve that. f5, just plug in 5 instead of x to find out f5. So 5 3 8 8 and 5 1 5 minus 1 4, so result is 2. So f2, let me to find out function of 2, so let me substitute instead of 2 in x plus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 minus 1, so your answer is 5. That's enough. Let us find out the inverse. It is also very easy, we have done in O level. Let y equals to x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Now let us make x as a subject. We know how to make subject. Xy minus y equals to x plus 3, and take all this x in one side and y in another side. Take x as a common, so y plus 3 divided by y minus 1. So just we will replace x by y and y by x. So let me write here y equals to x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. So now this is the final answer. We can write finally f inverse x equals to x plus 3 x minus 1. So that's nice to solve. Its marks is 3. And this is the solution of that. Now let us go for question number 4. A curve is such that dy dx equals to 8 by 3x plus 2 whole square. The curve passes through the point 2, 5, 2 by 3. Find the equation of the curve. We know we are having dy dx, and if we go for reverse process, integration, we can get it back y. And integration of ax plus b whole n dx equals to a n plus 1 and then ax plus b whole n plus 1 plus c. These two are basic formula. Now let me write here, if dy dx is integrated, there will be y, then integration sign, and then 8 3x plus 2 whole square dx. So let me write now 8 3x plus 2 to the power minus 2 dx. Now let us simplify. 8 times 3x plus 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 into minus 1 plus c. So y equals to 8 by minus, obviously 8 by 3 3x plus 2 1 by plus c. Since it is passing through the point 2 and 5 2 by 3, so let me substitute x by 2, then y by 5 2 by 3. So 5 2 by 3, then minus 8 by 3, then we can put here x is 2, so that will be 8, x is 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2, that is 8 plus c. 8 8 cancelled, and if we simplify, then c will be 5 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, and if we calculate, it will be 6. 5 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, sorry, plus 1 by 3, so it is plus 3 by 3, 6. So the final answer will be, the equation of the curve will be y equals to minus 8 by 3 3x plus 2 plus 6. So this is the final answer. Now let us go for question number 5. The first, third and fifth term of an arithmetic progression are 2 cos x minus 6 root 3 sin x and 10 cos x respectively, where the domain is defined half pi less than x less than pi. So first term is a equals to 2 cos x. So third term a plus 2d, that means 2 cos x plus 2d equals to minus 6 root 3 sin x. Then 2d equals to minus 2 cos x minus 6 root 3 sin x. D equals to minus 1 cos x minus 3 root 3 sin x. So I have got A, then we have got D. We can use all this information in fifth term. Fifth term means A plus 4D. A plus 4D equals to 10 cos x. Now let us simplify. A is 2 cos x plus 4D is minus cos x minus 3 root 3 sin x equals to 10 cos x. If we simplify all this, let me write here 2 cos x minus 4 cos x minus 12 root 3 sin x equals to 10 cos x. Now let me go for simplification. This is 2 cos x minus 4 cos x, that is minus 2 cos x minus 10 cos x equals to minus 12 plus 12 root 3 sin x. Let me, if we simplify this, that will be 12 cos x minus equals to plus 12 root 3 sin x. And if we simplify 12 and cos x go down of sin x and root 3 in right side down of 1 by root 3, so minus 1 by root 3 equals to sin x by cos x. We can write there 10x equals to minus 1 by root 3. Since the domain is defined, it is positive, pi by 6, that is x equals to pi plus pi by 6. And if we simplify, pi minus pi by 6, we will simplify, it is 5 pi by 6. So this is the solution of that. Hence find the exact sum of 25 terms. Its marks is 3. So exact sum of 25 terms. So since this is AP, we know the formula of S25 equals to 25 by 2 times A is here 2 cos x plus 25 minus 1, and common difference is minus cos x minus 3 root 3 sin x. Let us simplify this one. We have the x value, so we can use this. This is 25 by 2 4 cos 5 pi by 6 plus 24 minus cos 5 pi by 6 minus 3 root 3 sin 5 pi by 6. If we simplify, we can get our proper answer. So let us use calculator to find out the answer. So simplify this one with the help of calculator. It is quite difficult without calculator. Cos 5 pi by 6. So this is minus root 3 by 2 So 4 into minus root 3 by 2 plus 24. Again let me write minus root 3 by 2, then minus 3 root 3. Then if we change this as sign, so this will be half, closing the bracket, then it is necessary for simplification. And calculate all this. 2 2s are 4, this is 25 by 2 minus 2 root 3. Then if we multiply this 24 with that, we can get minus 12 root 3, then again minus 12 root 3. So it is becoming 12 12 24 26, I mean 25 into minus 13 root 3. 12 plus 12, 24, 26, 13 root 3. Now if we multiply 25 into 13, it is becoming 325. So that's enough. This will be minus 325 root 3. So when you are doing this calculation, so be serious. You should pay your attention when you are finding out the solution. Now next question is question number 6. It is given here geometric progression. Second term is 54 and sum to infinity is 243. Common ratio is half. We need to find out 10th term. So basic formula is, general case is ar square, ar cube. You should go in that way. And then sum to infinity is a by 1 minus r when modulus of r less than 1. So n term Tn equals to a r to the power n minus 1. So now let's see how to solve. So second term is 54, that means ar is 54 and its common ratio is greater than half, and its sum to infinity is a by 1 minus r equals to 243. Now let us simplify. We know how to do algebraic simplification. We can easily do that. Let me make a as a subject. So it is 54 by r, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Let me substitute 54 by r in equation number 1. This is 54 by r divided by 1 minus r equals to 243. Let us do some calculations. This is 54 divided by 1 minus r square, r minus r square equals to 243. Let us simplify. 243 r minus 243 r square equals to 54. So 243 r square plus 243 r minus 54 equals to 0. Now let us simplify. 43 divided by 27, this is 9. If I divide all these terms by minus 27, it will be 9r square plus 9r minus 27 to the 54. So 9 to the 18, 9 r square minus 6r minus 3r plus 2 equals to 0. So 3r is common, 3r plus 2, sorry, minus 2, minus 1 is common, 3r minus 2 equals to 0. So r equals to 1 by 3, and then r equals to 2 by 3. Now uh, in the question it is given r is greater than half. R is greater than half. R is greater than half. So we will consider R equals to 2 by 3. Now we need to find out A also. Let us substitute these values in equation number 1. A equals to 54 by R. R means 2 by 3. So if we simplify 54 division 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So it is becoming 81. A is 81. So 10th term, that is T10 equals to A r to the power 9. So let me substitute. A is 81 into R is 2 by 3 to the power 9, and if we simplify it will be 512 divided by 243.
Hello, I started the pure mathematics A level nicely, so I hope you are enjoying that maths. When you are approaching with this question paper, you must develop your concepts clearly from pure mathematics 1. Otherwise, you will be in great trap. It's not so easy. First of all, develop your concept, then start doing these
Diagram
papers.
AB and AC both are 15 centimeter. The length of AB and the length of AC all are, I mean, 15 centimeter. Then CP is 9 centimeter. P is the foot of the perpendicular from C to AB. The length of CP is 9. Arc of a circle with center B. This arc with center B, I mean, it is an sector mid at Q. Okay, we need to prove that is ABC equals to 1.25. So 15 square equals to 9 square plus AP square. 15 square minus 9 square equals to 144. That means AP equals to root over 144. So AP equals to 12. Tan angle ABC equals to opposite by adjacent, I mean 9 by 3. So angle ABC equals to tan inverse 9 over 3, that is tan inverse 3. Tan inverse 3. So in fraction it will be 1.25. Okay, so it will be 1.25 radian. Calculate the area of the shaded region which is bounded by the arc CQ, then CP and PQ. CQ, CP and PQ, that means this is the shaded part. The area of this, first of all we can see that this is the sector area, I mean QCB is a sector. Then we can find out the area of this triangle, we can minus it. Sector minus area of triangle, that is area of shaded region. The area of the sector, this is half r square theta. Half r equals to 9 square plus 3 square root over 9 square plus 3 square, 81 plus 9, that is root over 90. So half r square theta, 90 square. Theta is, we know that angle is 1.25 radian. 1.25 radian minus area of triangle, half base into height. Base is 3, height is 9. Base is 3, height is 9. Now let me simplify this. 0.5 into 90 into 1.25, half 3 into 9. Minus 0.5 into 3 into 9. So it will be 42.75. That means one decimal place, 42.3 significant figure, 42.8. Okay, so that is the answer for this one. I mean area of this. Question 8. You have seen that it is from binomial expansion. Let me write here first 4 plus 2x. Let me simplify the expansion. 2 minus, it is 2 to the power 5. We can use binomial, I mean Pascal triangle. 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1. So the 5 is, we can use this one. 1, then minus 5 to the power 4, then ax minus 10 to the power cube ax square. So we are going to find out the coefficient of x. So no, I don't need more. Let me simplify. 4 plus 2x to the power 5, that is 32, minus 2 to the power 4, I mean 16, 80 ax minus 880, sorry, this is plus 80 a square x square. Let us find out the coefficient of x square now. If we multiply this one, there will be x square. If we multiply this 2, we will have a x square. I mean 80 into 4, 320 a square x square. Then 82s are 160 minus 160 ax square. These all are coefficient with x square. So coefficient of x square is minus 15. That means 320 a square minus 160 a equals to minus 15. Now let us simplify. I mean we can divide all these terms by 5. 5 6 are 30, 4 5 are 20. A square minus 3 2a plus 3 equals to 0. Now let me do middle term factor. So 64 a square, then minus 24 a minus 8a plus 3 equals to 0. So if we simplify more, 8 will be common. 8a minus 1 8a minus 3. So that is a equals to 1 by 8, and then a equals to 3 by 8. Okay, a square minus 160a 160a equals to k. Now 320a square minus 160a minus k equals to 0. Since there is only one value, so we can write for one value means one root. One value means one root. We can use the formula b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So here b is minus 160 square minus 4 times a is 320, I mean coefficient of a square, and c is minus k. So 160 squared, it's now 25600 plus 320 into 4, so it is becoming now 1280 equals to 0. So this is k. So k equals to minus 25600 by 1280. That means 25600 divided by answer. This is 20. So k equals to minus 20. Let me use this value in the equation 1, to find out the values of a. 320a square minus 160a plus 20 equals to 0. Let me divide all these terms by 20. So it will be 0 cancel 16 minus 0 cancel 8a plus 1 equals to 0. We can write it as 4a 1 whole square equals to 0. So a equals to 1 by 4. So two values, a equals to 1 by 4 and k equals to minus 20. So that's grade of 4 we have done. dv dt equals to 1.5 meter cube per second. So we need to find out find the rate at which the radius, I mean dr dt, rate of radius means dr dt. Here r equals to 5.5 meter. Now let us differentiate first of all. So v equals to 3 by 2, 3 r minus half, it is dv dr. 3 minus 1 2, and if you use chain rule, r will be 1 and half will be 0, so it is not necessary to go more. So and 1, if it is differentiated, it will be 0. Now it is becoming 9 by 2 r minus 1 by 2 whole square. We can easily apply here 9 by 2 and then 5.5 minus half whole square. That means half is 0.5, 5.5 minus 0.5, that is 5. So 9 by 2 into 25. 925, 825, 100, 200, 225 by dv dr equals to dv by dt divided by dr by dt. Let me do, dr dt can be subject. So we can write dv by dt divided by dv by dr. So let me substitute dv by dt is 1.5 and dv by dr is 225 by 2. Now 1.5 divided by 225 by 2. 225 divided by 2. Let me simplify this. We are having 0.0133.
So that is, we are having 0.0133, or it is 3 significant figure. So this is the correct answer for rate of radius. That means dr by dt equals to 0.01 meter per second. We are going to find out the volume. I think that, if I go through the main question, it is given dv by v equals to 3 by 2 r minus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 1. Now we can use the differentiated result. Dv by dr equals to 9 by 2, dv by dr equals to 9 by 2, then r minus half whole square. So r minus half whole square, and dv by dr, it can be substituted by dv by dt divided by dr by dt equals to 9 by 2 r minus half whole square. So dv by dt, it is in the given in the main question 1.5 meter cube per second. So let me write here 1.5, and dr dt is 0.1 equals to 9 by 2 r minus 1 by 2 whole square. So we can find out radius from this. If I 1.5 divided by 0.1, so it is 15 equals to 9 by 2 r minus 1 by 2 whole square. So r will be 30 divided by 9, then r minus half whole square. So square, it will be square root of 30 by 9 equals to r minus half. So let me simplify. Root over 30 by 9 plus 0.5, it is r equals to 2.325, let me write 6. So we have the formula for the volume. Volume equals to 3 by 2 r minus half whole cube minus 1. So volume equals to 3 by 2 r minus half whole cube minus 1. Now let me substitute this value here. 3 by 2, 2.326 minus half whole cube minus 1. Now 3 by 2, 2.326 minus 0.5 whole cube, whole cube minus 1. So minus 1. Now it is becoming 8.13. The answer will be in 3 significant figure. 8.13. 8.13, volume is centimeter cube, meter cube. So this is the answer for this. Fx is given x square plus, we can write it in as a x to the power minus 1 plus 2. So f dash x will be 2x plus even minus 1 k x to the power minus 2 plus 0. So gradient, we can find out, x equals to 2, substitute here, plus minus 1 k 2 to the power minus 2. Let me simplify. 4 minus k by, that is 4. So for the stationary point, f dash x equals to 0. That means 4 minus k by 4 equals to 0. So k equals to 16. So this is the value of k. F dash x equals to, we can write here 2x minus k by x square, that means 16 by x square, 16 by x to the power minus 2. Now let me do double differentiation for the nature of the stationary point. Double dash x equals to two double derivatives, that is plus 32 and x to the power minus 2. If it comes here, it is plus 2, plus 16 to the 32 x to the power minus 3. So it is becoming 2 plus 32 divided by x cube. If I substitute the value of x here, so it is becoming 32 divided by 2 cube, that means 8. So it is 6, greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, that means the stationary point is turning point, or stationary point is minimum. Stationary point is minimum. Now, given that this is the only stationary point of the curve, it is mentioned in the question, and find the range of f. Our target is to find the range of f. Since it is already proved that the point, that is what I am getting, it is minimum point. We are having all the point is minimum point. So fx is, if I substitute, fx equals to x square plus k by x plus 2, x square plus k by x plus 2. So we have already got k is 16, so we can replace k by 16 plus 2 fx. So let me substitute f2 equals to 2 square plus 16 by 2 plus 2. Now simplify, 4 plus 8 plus 2, that is 14. That means it is minimum. So fx always must be greater than equal 14. Okay, now let us x equals to 5 by 2. This is the line for 5 by 2, and then this is the normal. This is the equation of line that is perpendicular on the graph. We need to find out the first of all equation of normal. To find the equation of normal, we know that y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by dy dx x minus x1. So dy dx y equals to half x plus 7 by 10 minus x minus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now if we differentiate this one, we can find that dy dx equals to half plus 0 minus 1 by 3, plus 1 by 3, x minus 2 minus 5 by 3. Okay, so this is the, now let me use the value of x. 1 by 3, 3 minus 2 to a minus 5 by 3, that means it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So this is 5 by 6. So gradient is 5 by 6. So we know we have the coordinates is 3 and 6 by 5. So we can find now the equation y minus 6 by 5 equals to minus 1 by 5 by 6 x minus 3. So let me simplify now. Minus 6 by 5 equals to, if we do reciprocal 6 by 5 again, x minus 3. So let us simplify. Then we can write it minus 6 by 5 equals to minus 6 by 5x plus 18 by 5. Let me take 6 by 5x plus 18 by 5 in that side. It will be 6 plus 18, that is 24 by 5. Okay, 24 by 5. So this is the equation of normal. Since it is meeting the x-axis at this point, on x-axis y equals to 0. On x-axis y equals to on x-axis y equals to 0. So let me place y is 0. So we can write here multiply by 5. We can write here 6x, I mean plus 6x equals to 24. So x equals to 4. I mean x coordinates is, this is, I mean this shaded part, I mean it is created by the curve, and this is the triangle. Let me consider it as a, it is 3. Now this is 4, it is 1, and height is 6 by 5. So the area of this triangle is half into area of triangle is half base into, that is height is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. So its area is 3 by 5. Now let us find out the area under the curve. So we need to know integrate from 5 by 2 to 3. So it is not quite easy. We need to integrate this one. So let us write area under the curve. Integration of 5 by 2 to 3. 5 by 2 to 3. Then let me write here half x plus 7 by 10 x 10 minus x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3, then dx. So if we integrate this one, we can find half x square by 2 plus 7 by 10 x minus x minus 2 to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So it is becoming 2 by 3. 3 minus 1, so 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 divided by down will be 2 by 3. So if it, I mean reciprocal of that 3 by 2. So this is the integrated part. I mean we can write here 5 by 2 then 3. Now let me place I mean first of all 3, then we will substitute by 2.5, then we will do calculations, then I think we will get the answer. So 1 by 4 into 3 squared plus 7 by 10 into 3 minus 3 by 2, 3 minus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Let me check the limit again. Yes, 5 by 2 to 3 minus 1 by 4 into 2.5 square plus 7 by 10 into 2.5 minus 3 by 2, 2.5 minus 2 to the power 2 by 3. So this is 9 by 4, 21 by 10 minus 3 by 2 minus 2.5 square, 2.5 square divided by 4 is 25 by 16 plus 2.5 into 7 divided by 10. So this is 7 by 4 minus 3 by 2 into 0.5 raised to 2 by 3. So it is becoming, so let me write it in the calculator, keep it in the same. So 25 by 16 plus 7 by 4 minus answer. So let's see what is that. Now let me do more detail. 7 by 4 plus 21 by 10 plus minus 3 by 2, then minus, then answer. So let me simplify this, write the answer in decimal, so it is becoming 0.48. So it is becoming 0.4824. And if we add the area of the triangle plus 3 by 5, so our answer is becoming 1 point. So total area equals to 1.083 SF. This is the equation from circle. So the diagram shows the circle with equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 27 equals to 0, and the tangent to the circle at the point 5 4 5 4. The tangent to P meets the x-axis at A, y-axis at B. Find the area of triangle OAB. So we need to find the equation of the line first of all. For this reason we need gradient. So to find out gradient we need to find out the equation of the is finding the coordinates of the center. So to find the coordinates of the center we know how to solve completing the square, or we can do directly. So x square minus 6x y square plus 4y minus 27 equals to 0. So x minus 3, those who are capable of doing directly, you can do that, no problem. Minus 9 y plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 27 equals to 0. So x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, then equals to, if we simplify, 9 plus 4 plus 27, so it is becoming 40. So it is becoming 40. So center is, we know, so we can easily find out the gradient. This is the center, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, gradient of this radius, gradient of radius equals to, we know that minus 2 minus 4 3 minus 5, so minus 6 divided by minus 2, that is 3. So gradient is 3. So gradient of AB, since it is tangent to the circle, normal, perpendicular on the radius, so it will be negative 1 by 3. So equation of the line will be y minus 4 equals to minus 1 by 3 x minus 5. Now we can easily find the coordinates of A and B. On x-axis y equals to 0, x-axis y equals to 0, and y-axis x equals to 0, and then apply this concept. On x-axis y equals to 0, that is minus 4 equals to minus 1 by 3 x minus 5. So 12 equals to minus x minus 5, minus minus cancel, so x equals to 17. Now if it meets at y-axis x equals to 0, so let me put x equals to 0, y minus 4 equals to minus 1 by 3, 0 minus 5, so it is becoming y equals to 5 by 3, minus 4 equals to 5 by 3. So 4, y equals to 4 plus 5 by 3, 3 4 is 12, 12 5 17, so 17 by 3, so 17 by 3 and 17. So x equals to 17, this is 17 and this is 17 by 3. So half base into height, we know the area of the triangle, area of
triangle. This is base and this is height. So you can easily apply this base into height. Half 17 into 17 by 3. Now let us simplify using the calculator. Don't waste our time. 17 multiplied by 17, this divided by 6. So this is 289 by 6. This is the area of this triangle. So let me make equilateral triangle. P, then this is the equilateral triangle. Now let me find out the area of this equilateral triangle. So this PQR is an equilateral triangle. So let me join the center to here. All this angle is, angles around a point 360, so all the angles are 120 degrees. So this is the radius we have already got, root over 40. So one triangle's area is half AB sin theta. So 3 triangle is 3 into half AB sin theta. So area of triangle PQR equals to 3 times, since there are 3 triangles, half root over 40 into root over 40 sine 120 degree. So let us simplify. This is 120 sine 120, obviously. Now let us do calculation. So there is 3 by 2, then 40, so sine 120, it must be in degree mode. So sine 120 equals to root 3 by 2, then 10, so 30 root 3. So this is the area of this shape, and that's all of the end of the question paper. So if you find any mistakes, any confusion, please ask me in comment section. I think I can help you.
So thank you very much. Now, I have finally completed the A level pure mathematics paper 1 successfully. So practice all the maths and subscribe the channel. I can give you the more question paper solutions for the betterment of you.